Coucou mes chers amis! Welcome back! Today we are looking at a common French verb that confuses a lot of learners. Promener versus se promener. They look similar, right? But they are not used the same way. So let's keep it chill and simple. First, promener. The verb promener means to walk someone or something else, or to take someone or something for a drive, like your dog or child or pet, etc. So here, promener is a direct transitive verb. We need a direct object. For example, I am walking my dog. Je promène mon chien. Je promène mon chien. So here, the verb promener is conjugated in present tense. I am walking my dog. Or, il promène sa fille. Il promène sa fille. He is walking his daughter. So here you are the one doing the walking and you are walking someone or something else. Now, se promener. Se promener is the reflexive form or the pronominal form, and it means to take a walk or to go for a walk yourself. A quick reminder, a reflexive verb in French is a verb where the action reflects back on the subject. So people here are doing the action to themselves, okay? And to conjugate these verbs, we use little words called reflexive pronouns. Me, te, ceux, nous, vous, and ceux between the subject pronoun and the verb in the affirmative form of a sentence. So let's have a look at the full conjugation of the verb se promener in present tense. Je me promène, I go for a walk. Tu te promènes, you go for a walk. Il, elle, on se promène, he, she, one goes for a walk. Nous promenons, we go for a walk. Vous promenez, you, formal and plural, go for a walk. Ils, elles se promènent, they go for a walk. Let's use this in some examples. I am taking a walk in the park. Je me promène dans le parc. Je me promène dans le parc. So here, je me promène is the verb se promener in present tense, conjugated with the first person singular subject pronoun je. Je me promène dans le parc. Or, we are going for a walk at the beach. We. Nous promenons à la plage. Nous promenons à la plage. So, when you say se promener, you are not walking someone else, you are just out for a nice walk for yourself. Okay? So now you know the difference between promener and se promener. Okay? By the way, if the reflexive verbs or pronominal verbs are still a little confusing for you, don't worry, I've made a separate video that explains exactly how they work and when to use them. So go check it out if you haven't seen it yet. Also, don't miss the full conjugation of the verb promener in present tense. Did you find this content useful? Like and subscribe for more.